Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. In today's video we are going to do another first impression of a new foundation. You guys know I love to try out new foundations, and this one that we are going to cover today is the True Portrait liquid to powder foundation from Kat Von D Beauty. I've actually not seen a single review of this except the ones that are on Kat Von D's Instagram, but it looks really pretty, and I'm on their website right now to see what it says it should do. And it is a medium coverage foundation, 100% vegan, and there are 40 shades. And it costs $36. And now let's see on details. It says it is long wearing, it is a matte finish and ideal for normal to oily skin, which is what I am. So that's great. So let's open it up and see. I actually didn't get to choose my colors. I think it's really good when PR packages only send out like 2 shades, because I really do not need all of the shades, obviously. But I wish that they had asked me first. I got the light 6 and medium 33. I am actually a little bit tan right now, so it might suit me if I mix these. So this is the light 6, and I mean, this is so pretty. I love the look of this. It is so gothic and like pretty looking, elegant. And here is compared to medium 33. Also, you can really notice that it is very liquidy when you do this. And I guess that you should shake them before. So I'm just gonna do that. This is my before. I only have moisturizer on right now, or my current skincare routine, but this is how my skin looks without any makeup on. I have like some redness around my nose and on my nose. Also, I have a cold right now, so excuse that. And that is also something that might come in to place later for our checkups, because I will probably have to blow my nose a few times. Excuse me for that detail. As always, I'm going to use a primer on one side. I thought maybe I would skip for this time, but also I've been really liking this primer from Milk Makeup. It is the Grip Primer. So I'm just gonna use one pump on this side. Alright, like that. It is super sticky and feels very nice and even. So I read on their website, and it says to have a moisturized and hydrated skin. Shake the foundation and then you should blend it out with your fingers. A little goes a long way. With this liquid formula, we do not recommend using a makeup sponge. I just brought a makeup sponge. Okay, I guess we should skip that then. Maybe we should try and blend it out with our fingers. So let's color match ourselves. Okay, that could work when I'm not fake tanned, but as I am fake tan right now, this is not gonna work out. Ooh, what a weird consistency. Should we maybe blend these together? Maybe that would be a good match. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it here. Let's do 50-50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This I've not done for like, I don't think I've ever done this ever using my fingers. What am I saying? I'm so confused. I've never used my fingers to blend out foundation, I don't think. Oh, I hate it. I feel like you have to be quick with this, as it becomes like a powdery consistency. I don't want to blend it too much. I'm scared that it will flake on me. But it kind of does flake. Oh, I hate it. Okay, we have to try it with a brush instead, and I'm gonna use the other side. This is how my skin looks, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like I have like a dinosaur skin. I'm gonna watch a video about it. I think that I mixed it a little bit too light as well, so I'm just gonna go straight in with medium this time. Do a little dot like that, and I'm gonna use this one. This is my favorite foundation brush from Neve Cosmetics, so if this doesn't work, I don't know what. Okay, this looks really pretty and quite a good shade actually. This really goes a long way, so they did not lie about that. It is just such a weird consistency, so I really don't know how it will act, which is kind of terrifying. It is all blended out, and I do think that I have a good medium coverage that looks really pretty. I'm still like kind of scared of it. I don't know if it will just fall off my face soon. As soon as I used this brush, it actually blended out really, really nice. But I felt like you had to be very quick with it. I am now going to apply some concealer and powder just underneath my eyes. I did not want to set this foundation as it should be like a powder. So I'm gonna use the Isadora Camouflage Concealer, and then I'm gonna use some translucent powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills just underneath my eyes. I actually really like this concealer, but I do not feel like it blended well with this foundation. And I am back, and this is the makeup look that I created for today. Just a very simple one with lashes. So this is how my skin looks right now. I think that the powder products blended out really nicely on the foundation. And also I started this at 12 and it is almost 1 right now. So here is the first checkup. I wouldn't say that I feel powdery, but I feel like the foundation has set into the skin really, so I really like the feel of that. I feel like it is going to hold quite well. I don't know why. So it is now 1 o'clock, and I will let you guys know in a few hours how this looks then. And all right, I am back, and it is now 5 or like 5:30, I think. My lipstick is smudged. Don't mind that. That is not this video. Let's make it a little bit darker. I think that it looks a little bit patchy. And that could be as it is a medium coverage. And this is not my exact color. I don't think that I look oily, maybe a little bit on my nose, but it's mostly just highlight. But yeah, it does look a little bit patchy. I think that I look great. A little bit patchy, but that's pretty much it. That is my only con at the moment. Yeah, see you guys when I'm about to go to bed. I was just about to hop in the shower and remove my makeup when I figured, hey, am I not filming a video today? Sorry about this. I've already taken off my eyelashes and my lipstick is looking really bad. Let me like apply a little bit of lipstick so it doesn't look as bad. I have changed my lipstick and fixed my hair a little bit because I took a picture for a collaboration. Since our last checkup, I have not really looked at my skin at all. So let's take a hard look. What we like, what we don't like. Oh shit. Okay, I'm already seeing something that is not good. I am so patchy. I am so patchy. I am so patchy. Oh, whoa. Whoa. It looks like I've slept for like 12 hours on my face and my makeup has just rubbed off. I have not done anything else than I usually do, and I don't even really touch my face that much. Like, look here. Look. Look at this forehead. I do want to say that it is not looking dry or anything. It is barely creased. It is... Wait. Okay, honestly, I think that this foundation is the one that has creased least on me. This is looking so good. But this, not so much. The only thing that I have a problem with is that it has rubbed off a lot. Like a lot. But other than that, beautiful. And my nose is looking really good for some reason. And that is the only place that I know that I've touched. Okay, final results. First of all, the packaging I love. I would give it a 5 out of 5. I think it looks so cool, gothic, and just different. I really like it. I loved the feel of it. It was so lightweight. I hated how to apply it because it's just not something I'm used to, although it worked with my favorite foundation brush. So I like the finish of it. And I love how it doesn't crease on me. This is like really good. The con is quite huge today. I'm looking really muddy, really gross, and it was hard to apply. That is the two cons of this foundation, because it's really a 50-50 foundation right now. I'm feeling 50 good and 50 not good. That is it for this foundation review. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to bed now. I'm so tired, and hope you guys also will go to bed. No. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and hope you we hope we will see each other in the next video. Okay, bye guys.